Hey there, and welcome to this training video for Black Belt membership. In this walkthrough, we're going to cover everything you need to know about using the cashier. Whether you're taking payments for memberships, selling gear, or adding credits to a family's account, this feature makes it easy to manage transactions all in one place. We'll go step by step from how to find the cashier to processing different payment types like cash, checks, and credit cards, and even handling things like advance billing and credit memos. So if you're just getting started or you're looking to sharpen your skills, this video will help you feel confident at the front desk. Let's jump in and take a look at how it all works. Let's walk through how to use the cashier feature inside Black Belt membership. You can get to the cashier in a couple of ways. Look at the top right corner of your dashboard. You'll see a cashier button. Go ahead and click that. You can also find it by going to the Location tab in the main menu and selecting Cashier there. What you can do in the cashier. The cashier lets you process different types of payments, like cash, checks, credit cards, ACH electronic check, credit memos, and school credits. Customer credits already in the account. In the top right corner, there's a little icon you can click to go to the member summary. You can search for a member by typing their name or selecting from a drop-down list. Let's say we're looking up Priscilla. Once she's selected, you'll see an active checkbox. If you need to find someone who's no longer active, just uncheck that box. You'll also see two tabs, Family and Leads. Family will show you current active members. Leads are potential members who might have past or pending transactions. You can also search by phone number, name, or even if you only have a credit card number from a chargeback or a bounce check. Payment overview. On the right side of the screen, you'll see transaction totals, including outstanding balance. Below that, you'll see all current transactions. You might see something like 2 transactions for a new registration. Also on the right side, you've got several action buttons. Process payment, pay now, add transaction, advance billing, credit memo, delete transaction, statement. At the top left, you'll see the family billing contact name, address, and phone number. Right below that, you'll see their transactions. Processing a payment. Let's walk through making a payment. I'm going to select one transaction and hit Process Payment. A pop-up box appears. This is where you choose how the payment will be made. Cash, just enter the amount and post it. Check, enter the check number. Credit card. You'll see a few options here. External machine. Use this if you're processing the payment outside of Black Belt membership and just need to enter a reference number. One-time payment. Use a different credit card for a single charge. This won't save the card. Credit card terminal. This saves the card and is used for recurring payments. Card on file. If the member already has a card saved, you can charge it directly. Here, you're going to see a drop-down with multiple contacts linked to the membership. You can save credit cards under each contact, but only one will be marked as the primary payee. The others are considered billing contacts. So if you have someone like an aunt or a grandparent helping with payments, you can still process a credit card under their name. If you see a pop-up right away when selecting Process Payment, that usually means there's already a card on file. Let's go ahead and post a payment using the card on file. Important, you cannot process partial payments with the card on file. The full balance must be paid. Once the payment goes through, you can email the receipt, print the receipt, close the window. Let's email the receipt for this one. Let's processing a cash payment. Go to Process Payment. Now, let's say the remaining balance is $80 and they're paying that in cash. Select Cash, enter $80 and post the payment. Again, I'll go ahead and print the receipt. On the receipt, you'll see both payments listed, the card payment and the cash payment. It even shows the last 4 digits of the credit card used. No active transactions. If there are no active transactions, some buttons like Delete Transaction may disappear. That's totally normal. Adding a transaction. Click Add Transaction if you need to. Manually charge for something that's not part of the inventory. Record a charge that was missed. You'll enter a description, for example, water, the transaction type or ledger category, the amount, tax information, sales or service tax, and whether this should be part of their auto pay. Let's do a quick example. Item, water. Amount $1. Cost 10 cents. Then click Post Transaction. Changed your mind? You can delete it right away using the Delete Transaction button. Advanced Billing. This is used for memberships and prepaying for services. Example: a parent wants to pay 3 weeks in advance for their child's after-school program. You'll see their current registration and billing cycle. Enter 3 weeks into the Advanced Billing section. You'll see new payment amount, for example, $240 for 3 weeks. Updated next due date, automatically pushed forward. Click Submit, and the system will update everything for you. Processing a payment. Now, let's say the parent wants to use a different credit card for this. Select one-time payment and post it. Enter the card details. In our demo, we're using a test card. Once it's approved, you'll see the receipt options again. Credit memos. A credit memo is super simple. It's a credit that can come from 2 places. A school-issued credit. A parent gives you extra cash or a check to keep on their account. Example: a parent gives you a $20 bill for snacks. Go to Credit Memo, add the $20, enter a note like for after-school snacks, and update it. Now, if you return to the cashier, you'll see a $20 customer credit on their account. Bonus tip: add extra credit with cash or a check. Let's say a parent owes $100 but gives you $120 in cash. At the bottom of the payment screen, check the box that says Add Extra to Customer Credit. That extra $20 will be saved as a credit for future use. And that's a full overview of the Cashier and Black Belt membership. Now you know how to process payments, add transactions, handle credits, and even set up advanced billing. Everything you need to keep your school running smoothly at the front desk. If you ever need a refresher, you can always come back to this video or check out more training in your dashboard. Thanks for watching, and keep building your school one black belt at a time. See you in the next training!